Welcome back to my channel Miss Medicine. This is the quick review of ophthalmology. So let's get started. First topic is cataracts. Snowfall flake cataract is seen in diabetes mellitus. Rosette cataract is seen in trauma. Christmas tree pattern is seen in myotonic dystrophy. Sunflower cataract is seen in Wilson's disease. Oil drop cataract seen in galactosemia. Next is extraocular muscles. In torus of the eye are superior oblique and superior rectus. Action of superior oblique, abduction, inversion and depression. Nerve supply of superior oblique is trochlear, fourth cranial nerve. Levator palpebra superior is supplied by third cranial nerve, oculomotor cranial nerve. Muscle attached to posterior tarsal margin is Muller's muscle. Next is pupil. Argyll-Robertson's pupil, ARP. It includes small pupils, irregular in shape, no reaction to light, and accommodation reflex present, ARP. Marcus Gunn pupil, pupillary escape. It includes affected pupil may paradoxically dilate when light source is swung from eye to eye. Normally it constricts. Defect anterior to optic chiasm. Next is embryology. Structures derived from mesoderm is corneal stroma and endothelium. Only smooth muscles of iris and all muscles except iris muscle. Structures which derived from surface ectoderm. They are conjunctival epithelium and lens. Structures derived from neuroectoderm are epithelium of iris and ciliary body. From neuroectoderm, muscles of iris and constrictor and dilator pupillae are also developed. Next is angles of eye. Visual angle. Angle subtended by object at nodal points of lens. Alpha angle between visual axis and optical axis. Kappa angle between pupillary axis and visual axis. Next is ophthalmological test. Direct ophthalmoscopy. In direct ophthalmoscopy, image is virtual and erect, magnified 15 times. In direct ophthalmoscopy, image is real and inverted, magnified 5 times. It is done for the examination of periphery of retina up to ora serrata. Next test is keratometry. It is used to measure curvature of cornea. Next is electron histogram. It used for the graph of movement of eye. Next is anomoloscope. It detects color blindness. Next test retinoscopy. It used for the objective assessment of refractive state of eye. Gonioscopy. It is used to measure angle of anterior chamber. Tonometry. Tonometry used to measure intraocular pressure, and best is applanation tonometry. Next test is swinging flash test. It used to test pupils. Snellen chart test. Snellen chart test used to check vision. Ishihara plates, Hardy-Rand Rattler plates is used for color vision. Landolt rings used for visual acuity in illiterate children. Macular function test. It includes cardboard test, 2-point discrimination test, Amsler grid test and Maddox road test, etc. Next is visual field defects. It includes homonymous hemianopia, lesions of optic tract, incongruous defects, homonymous quadrantopia, lesions of temporal lobe superior, bitemporal hemianopia, lesions of optic chiasm. Next topic is visual pathway. Optic pathway, receptors, rods and cones present in retina. Thalamic nucleus for vision is lateral geniculate body. Light reflex mechanism. First access light to the retina, then optic nerve, optic chiasm, optic tract. Some fibers from optic tract reach to the pretectal nucleus, which is part of superior colliculus. Then each pretectal nucleus sent fibers to Edinger-Westphal nucleus and part of third cranial nerve, and then finally constriction of pupil, sphincter pupillae. Corneal reflex. Light touching of the cornea, conjunctiva, results in blinking of the eyelids. Most sensitive part of eye is fovea, which contains photoreceptors. Next is cranial nerves. Third cranial nerve supply all extraocular muscle except superior oblique and lateral rectum. Complete paralysis results in external ophthalmoplegia, inability to move the eye upwards, inwards and downwards. Dropping of upper eyelids due to paralysis of levator palpebral superioris, ptosis. Pupillary sparing is a feature of diabetes mellitus. Fourth cranial nerve, weakness or paralysis of superior oblique muscle, which normally moves the eye downwards and inwards. Sixth cranial nerve, weakness paralysis of lateral rectus, which normally rotates the eye laterally. Next is myopia. Rays of light are focused in front of retina. Size of eyeball is big. Complications of myopia, lattice and snail degeneration, peripheral retinal degeneration. Treatment of myopia, radial keratotomy, small degree, soft lens and LASIK. Next is presbyopia. Physiological insufficiency of accommodation, loss of power of accommodation due to loss of elasticity of lens capsule, and treatment is by convex lens. Next is conjunctiva. Hemorrhagic conjunctivitis seen in enterovirus, adenovirus and Coxsackie virus. Phylactecular conjunctivitis seen in tuberculosis. Giant papillary conjunctivitis seen in contact lens. Angular conjunctivitis seen in Moraxella. Spring cataract. Spring cataract is also known as vernal keratoconjunctivitis. It is an allergic disease. Horner-Trentez spots on bulbar conjunctiva are present. Cobblestone appearance of palpebral conjunctiva, papillary hypertrophy, type 1 hypersensitivity and Maxwell-Lyon sign, stringy and ropey discharge. Next is trachoma. Trachoma is characterized by the presence of limbal follicles, Hurbert's pits, formed on cornea near limbus. Arlet's line seen in conjunctival scarring in sulcus subtarsalis. Pannus, it is infiltration of cornea with vascularization. Safe strategy for trachoma, safe surgery, S. Surgery, antibiotics, A. Facial clearness and environmental improvement. Drug of choice is tetracycline local concentration 1% and azithromycin orally. Next is pterygium. Elastotoic degeneration with proliferation of vascularized granulation tissue. Stoker's line is seen. Next is primary open angle glaucoma. Most asymptomatic or progressive paleness, loss of vision. Genes implicated in pathogenesis, optineurin gene or MYOC gene. Early visual field defect, isopatric contraction and bearing of blindfold. First line of treatment is timolol beta blocker, surgical procedure, argon laser trabeculoplasty. Next is angle closure glaucoma. Predisposing factor is shallow anterior chamber, may present as painful red eye with headache, nausea, vomiting. Pupil is semi-dilated, vertically oval and fixed. Surgical procedure are laser iridotomy and surgical iridectomy. Next is keratoconus. Protrusion of central part of cornea with thinning. Corneal nerves are visible. Associated features Munson's sign and Fleischer's sign. Next is papilloedema. Seen in raised intracranial tension, intracranial infections like cavernous sinus thrombosis, cerebral abscess. Clinical features are headache, nausea, projectile vomiting, visual field changes, enlargement of the blind spot, progressive contraction of the visual field, disc findings, blurring of the margin of optic disc, hyperemia of disc, and elevation of the disc. It seems like mushroom and dome shaped. Next is papillitis or optic neuritis. Pseudopapillitis is seen in hypermetropia. Features relative afferent pupillary defect, Marcus Gunn pupil, complete afferent pupil defect seen in optic nerve lesion. Next is uveitis. Anterior uveitis is associated with juvenile rheumatoid arthritis and ankylosing spondylitis. Miotic pupil present, and treatment is steroids, drug of choice, followed by mydriatics. Steroids reduces inflammation and scarring, dilation of the pupil by atropine, it reduces pain and prevents senescence formation. Posterior uveitis is associated with sarcoidosis, Vogt-Koyangi-Harada syndrome, disease of melanocyte containing tissue, and Behçet's syndrome. Next is sympathetic ophthalmitis. SO. Ciliary body is injured, seen after penetrating injury in ciliary region, dangerous region. First sign of sympathetic ophthalmitis is keratotic precipitates and retrolental flare, present as difficulty in reading from one eye after 3-4 weeks of injury to the other eye. Next is retinoblastoma, RB, may be bilateral in 30 to 40% cases, particularly familial ones. Knudson's hypothesis is related to retinoblastoma. Most common manifestation of retinoblastoma is leukocoria or amaurotic cat's eye reflex. Treatment of diffuse retinoblastoma, enucleation, removal of eyeball with portion of optic nerve from orbit. Treatment of small retinoblastoma is brachytherapy. Treatment of bilateral retinoblastoma and metastatic disease is chemotherapy. Next is diabetic retinopathy. Fundus examination in diabetes mellitus, NIDDM as early as possible. Non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus and IDDM, insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, 5 years after diagnosis of diabetes mellitus. Incidence of diabetic retinopathy increases with disease duration. Next is HIV and ocular manifestations. Most common abnormal finding on fundoscopic examination is cotton wool spots. Most devastating consequences of HIV infection on eye is cytomegalovirus retinitis. Next is blindness. Most common cause of ocular morbidity in India is refractive error. Most common cause of blindness in children in India is vitamin A deficiency. WHO definition of blindness is visual acuity of less than 3/60 Snellen chart. Most common cause of blindness in adults in India is cataract. Next is trauma to orbit. Features of trauma to eye: Vossius ring, concussion of lens, commissure retinae or Berlin's edema, concussion injury, and D-shaped pupil, iridodialysis. Pharmacotherapy in ophthalmology. Shortest and quickly acting mydriatic is tropicamide. Mydriatic with no cycloplagia is phenylephrine. Mydriatic used as an ointment in children is atropine. Most common complication of topical steroid is glaucoma. Next is terms and associated conditions: bull's eye maculopathy, chloroquine, hold retinopathy, amiodarone, arcus senilis, old age, Squalb's ring, Descemet membrane, KF ring, seen in Wilson's disease, Angierd streaks, seen in Pseudoxanthoma elasticum, ring scotoma, seen in retinitis pigmentosa, scintillating scotoma, seen in migraine, Dallon-Fuchs nodule, seen in sympathetic ophthalmitis, epibulbar dermoids, seen in golden hairs syndrome, Roth spots, seen in bacterial endocarditis, sago grains or Arld's line, seen in trachoma, Fleischer's ring, seen in keratoconus, candlewax spots, seen in sarcoidosis, and macular toxicity, seen in gentamicin. If you want this PDF, you can join my Telegram group. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you.